I'm Katha Vachika and welcome to the realm of Katha. Today's story is about Rashi, a young woman who was born in a very wealthy family. Her father, Raja Jai Singh, was a very wealthy businessman. Rashi, being the only daughter in the family, was very pampered. She had a very snobbish behavior. All day long she would lie around and shout at the house elves. Her mother was very disturbed by her behavior. She discussed it with her husband, but her father paid no heed to it. In the same village, there used to live a boy by the name Binod. He and his father were farmers. Binod's mother passed away at a very early age. That year, there was no rain, so the Binod's father had to take a debt from Raja Jai Singh. Days went by. Rashi was now at a marriageable age. Raja Jai Singh started searching suitors for her, but none of them agreed to marry her because of her snobbish behavior. He was very tensed because of that. Suddenly, he remembered about Binod. Binod was a handsome and an intelligent person. Therefore, Raja Jai Singh proposed marriage of Binod and Rashi to Binod's father, who agreed to it. Few days later, they got married. Raja Jai Singh sent a train of helpers with Rashi to her new home. Rashi's behavior didn't change at all after marriage. Same way as she used to do at her home, she would lay around all day and order her servants. And now she also started shouting at Binod and his father. For a few days, Binod didn't say anything. But after a point of time, he wasn't able to take it anymore. And he devised a plan to correct Rashi's behavior. Next day, Binod sent all the servants back to her father's place. Next morning, when Rashi woke up, she started shouting for the servants, but none came. When she inquired, Binod told her that he had sent all the servants away. She asked for food, to which Binod asked her to go and cook in the kitchen. She immediately refused. Binod proposed another plan to her. Why don't we go and cook the meal together? First, Rashi said no, and she went back to her room. But when her stomach started growling, she went and helped Binod in the kitchen, and together they cooked a meal and ate it. After breakfast, when Binod and his father were about to leave for the field, Binod told Rashi that she needs to be careful, as daily a swarm of ghosts passes through this lane. Rashi was very scared. She said, "Now what will I do?" Binod said, "Why don't you come to the fields with us?" To which Rashi replied, "I am a girl of a very wealthy family. I can't stand in the sun for too long, else I'll get sunburn." Binod said, "Then there is only one way out. You have to keep yourself busy. If you see them, they will come and haunt you. But if you are busy for the whole day, you won't see the ghost, and thus you will be safe." Rashi thought for a while and then asked Binod, "Then why is it that none of the ghosts haunts you?" Binod replied, "Because I work." And he left. For some time Rashi was sitting idle, but then she started getting scared and got up and started working. She cooked the meal, cleaned the house and kept herself busy for the whole day. In the evening, when Binod and his father returned, they saw that the house was clean and the food was already prepared. Binod was very happy with it. And the same way, few days went by. After few days, Rashi's parents visited her. They were surprised to see Rashi busy with household work. She was not lazy anymore. As soon as Rashi saw her parents, she jumped with joy and gave them a big hug. But immediately she ran into her house, bought a broom and a dishcloth, and handed it to her parents and asked them to work. They were shocked at what is happening, but she insisted, and therefore her parents started working. Few moments later, Binod and his father returned back from the field. And when he saw Raja Jai Singh with a broom, he was stunned and felt guilty and immediately rushed to him to take away broom from his hand. Raja Jai Singh asked Binod, Binod, what is this? What is happening? I can't understand. Before Binod could answer, Rashi rushed out and told his father, Father, you have to work here, otherwise you will be haunted by ghosts forever. Raja Jai Singh again turned back to Binod and said, I sent a lot of servants with my daughter, but you returned all of them back. Why did you do so? To which Binod replied, Sir, Rashi is now part of our family. She should learn how to live like we are living and help us in returning the money we borrowed from you. Raja Jai Singh replied, But I have already forgone the debt that I had lent you. To which Binod replied, Sorry sir, but I can't accept this. I would repay each and every penny that we have borrowed from you. Then Rashi's mother asked, What are the ghosts that Rashi was talking about? To which Binod replied, Yes, there are ghosts. First ghost is of laziness. If Rashi would lay around the house whole day, she would be haunted by the ghost of laziness. And the second ghost is of debt. We should always pay the debt that we take from others. Rashi's mother was very impressed after hearing this. Rashi also felt very guilty about her previous behavior and promised Binod that she would be self-dependent and would help now his family in repaying the debt. Thus, all three started working towards a common goal and started living happily. So, this was today's story. Until next time, Namaste.